Welcome friends, my name is Mai. Today we are cooking a delicious Korean noodle dish with an elegant black bean sauce, Jajangmyeon, using our wonderful Instant Pot pressure cooker. For this recipe, you will need fresh Korean noodles, water, Korean black bean paste, mirin, brown sugar, Korean radish, Yukon Gold potatoes, white onion, and zucchini. Slice into bite-sized pieces. You will also need pork shoulder sliced into bite-sized pieces. To marinate the pork, kosher salt, black pepper, and mirin. In a small saucepan, combine sliced pork, kosher salt, black pepper, and mirin. Marinate for 15 minutes. Using the saute function on the pressure cooker, sear the meat. When no pink meat remains, add the water. Black bean paste. Mirin. And brown sugar. Mix thoroughly. Pressure cook on high for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the vegetables. Pressure cook 5 more minutes. Now we're ready to boil the fresh Korean noodles. And here you have delicious Korean noodles with the black bean sauce, Jajangmyeon. Creamy, savory, delicious. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website and please remember to subscribe and press the notification bell